Hello students, welcome to Tilak Bharati classes. I am Mathuri Sahu. Today we will discuss about the chapter Sky Vision. This is your first chapter of science. The planet on which we live is called Earth. During daytime we see the sun in the sky, but in the night there is no cloud. You will see a large number of stars only with moon, some of which are very bright and some are less. Some are big and some are small. The interesting point is this, that these small stars are actually quite bigger than our Earth, and some of them are even many times bigger than the sun. The stars are the most attractive of all the objects in the sky. These are such objects which emit light and energy continuously. Sun is the nearest star to Earth. It is because of the sun's light that the other stars are not visible in the sky. Most of the stars are so far away that it takes lakhs of years for their light to reach Earth. Distance of stars are indicated in light years. So light year is nothing but it is a unit of distance, and it is defined as the distance traveled by light in a year at the speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. The sun is about 15 crores kilometers away from the earth. It takes about 8.3 minutes for the sunlight to reach earth, so we can say that the sun is 8.3 light minutes away. After sun, the nearest star to the earth is Alpha Centauri, which is about 4.3 light year away. The brightest star, Sirius, is about 8.7 light year away. There are many such constellations of stars or galaxies in the universe. Our Milky Way is one among the lakhs of galaxies present in the universe. Our solar system is situated in this Milky Way. Sun as well as all the stars are revolving with great speed around one or the other heavenly bodies. Because of the distance, we are not able to know the changes between these stars. We know that our earth is rotating round its axis from west to east, but we find the stars moving from east to west. One star, which is in the north, appears motionless. We know it by the name of pole star, which is also called Dhruv Tara. The pole star has been used to know the direction for a long time. If we observe, we can find some star groups forming some shapes. The group of stars is called constellation. So the group of stars is called constellations. All the stars of a constellation always remain together. So the shape of the constellation also remains the same. Our ancestors have named them according to the shapes they form, as Big Saptarishi, Ursa Major, the Great Bear; Laghu Saptarishi or Little Bear, Ursa Minor, and Orion. The constellation which can be easily recognized is the Big Saptarishi. It is also called the Big Dipper. This constellation has many stars, out of which 7 brightest stars from the shape of a question mark of saucepan. Out of the 7 stars, 3 are on the handle of the saucepan and the other 4 are in the pan. 2 stars on the top of the saucepan are called the indicating stars. The line joining them points to the pole star. In the small Saptarishi, all 7 stars are brighter. The pole star is situated at the top of the handle here. Therefore, sometimes it is also called as Dhruvamatya. Orion is also one of the main constellations seen in the sky, which has more bright shining stars than other constellations. The shape of this constellation is of a hunter, so it is also called the Kalpurush.